Okay, here's the question. A certain pendulum clock with a 12-hour dial happens to gain 1 minute per day. After setting the clock to the correct time, how long must one wait until it again indicates the correct time? So let's say you set the clock at noon on the first day, and it reads 12 o'clock noon. Actually, they say it's a 12-hour dial, so what we really see is that. It's with the two dials and 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 going around the side here. That's what we're talking about, but I'm just going to show the time itself. The next day, so that's the day 0 right there. After the first day, it's going to be off. It's going to read 12:01. So it'll be a tiny bit off. On the second day, it's going to read 12:02. And then the third day, it'll read 12:03. Each day, when you read it at noon, it's going to gain an extra minute. The question is, how long do you have to wait for the error, that extra minute, to add up to get the clock back to reading the correct time again? So what that means in the case of this analog clock here, we've got to wait for both dials, both hands of the clock, to go all the way around once. So that's going to be, 12 hours of time. So if it gains a minute a day, if the clock gains a minute a day, we want it to gain 12 hours of time to reset. So the question is, how many minutes are there in 12 hours? So 12 hours. And there are 60 minutes in an hour. And this is equal to 720 minutes. So if it gains a minute per day, so if the clock gains 1 minute per day, and we want to accumulate a total of 720 minutes, then we need to wait 720 days. We have to wait 720 days for the clock to reset itself to the correct time.